Hi guys, on today's video I'm going to be showing you how I take care of my skin. So this skin routine, I do it like twice a week, maybe like on a Monday and on a Thursday. So let's get to it. So I will be doing another video to show you an everyday routine of how I take care of my skin. First thing that you need to do is you need to make sure before touching your skin you wash your hands. So I've already washed my hands prior to the video. So the cleanser that I use for my skin currently is an acne proofing gel cleanser by Neutrogena. So this is the cleanser that I use on my skin. What I like about the cleanser is it's got that nice like gel finish, which is very nice texture when it's against your skin, and also it's very good for people that have acne. I don't have acne, but you know what? When I have a pimple and I start breaking out, I just apply this and I rinse my face. The next day, my face looks brand new. And also another exciting thing that I like about this cleanser is it smells so good. Like, I don't know about you, but for me, I love something that smells good on my face. I don't know, but yeah. And also it has a very key ingredient, you know, that dermatologists would recommend for people that have acne. It has salicylic acid in it, and so this cleanser really works. I would highly recommend this cleanser. Trust me, it worked on me, so it can on you. And of course, you want something that works on your face. You don't want to use something that doesn't work on your face. I've been using this cleanser and it's been treating me very well. So I'm gonna apply the cleanser. Depends on how many I do. 1, 2 on my skin, and then I take my hand, I rub it in, smooth it in, and then I apply it on my skin. You see how it looks already on my skin? My skin looks amazing. I apply it on my skin. So you want to make sure you apply it everywhere on your skin, except for your eye area, of course. And just make sure you really rub it in, because you want the ingredients to go in your skin. So you rub it in for about 5 minutes, massaging your face. And now that I've applied my cleanser, I'm gonna use, don't laugh at me guys, but I'm gonna use my humidifier to steam my face while the cleanser is on. Watch. Now I've steamed my face using my humidifier, and now I'm gonna wipe the cleanser off. Now I have my towel over here. And I'm just going to apply it nicely. It's a warm towel, so I just let it sit on my face. This help opens up your pores. Take the other side of my towel, place it. My neck area, because remember you also did your neck. And then I'm going to take my towel gently. I'm going to take my towel and I'm just going to wipe, gently removing all the cleanser. So you need to be gentle because your skin is like a baby, guys. Now I'm going to apply my toner. I'm going to apply my toner, spray it on my cotton pad. First, apply it on your skin. Now I'm gonna apply an ingredient that I made for myself. If you wanna know what I put in my ingredients, subscribe to my channel and I'll be doing a video of my ingredient for my skin. So I'm just gonna use a brush and then I'm gonna just apply it on my skin. I called it a vitamin C. And now I still have my ingredient on me, so I'm gonna apply my mask. So I have this mask and then I'm gonna apply my mask now. So I'm gonna leave my mask on for about 10 minutes on my face, and then I have this product from PC Skin. It's a lip booster. So this is I went to an event and I got that. So I'm gonna try it out and see how it is. Booster, let's see. Put it on my lips. Feels really smooth. I like the way it smells. Okay, so I'm back. You see how dry it has made my face? My face literally feels weird now when I go like this. Look at it. So now we're gonna remove the mask using a towel, a wet towel. You put warm water and then just gently remove this with my tool. Now that I've removed the mask, look at my skin, guys. Isn't it just glowing? You know? And then now I'm gonna put this. It's a sample I got from East Clinical. So it's this one. It's actually a super serum. It's a super serum. So I'm gonna try it out. And last but not least, my favorite, apply some Vaseline to give it that perfect finish. I also like putting serum on my face because serum, I have vitamin C serum and just the other serum that I was just using now. Serum really helps your face to have that natural glow. It's a vitamin C serum. It is amazing. Your face just has a natural glow, you know. So we're gonna put some Vaseline on. And that is how I take care of my skin. This is my routine 2 times a week, on Mondays, on Thursday, whichever day you would like it to be. So if you guys really like this video, please give it a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe to my channel and share my videos. And make sure you comment below on any questions that you guys have, and whatever you want me to do a video on, just make sure you put a comment below, and make sure you subscribe and click on the bell button to know every time that when I upload a video. So thank you guys. Your girl Shanty Star.